All right, if you can do the dragon head, or if you can do the underhand mullet, which is actually a lot harder, you can probably do the underhand mullet matador. The underhand mullet matador is actually easier than the underhand mullet itself. At least that's what I find. So to understand the underhand mullet matador, you first do the dragon head. So from a dragon roll, that's your dragon head. You're in a sideward stance. The dragon head is basically part of the mullet, right? But now instead of a sideward stance, you're going to do more of a forward stance, with this being your underhand. So right now I'm facing you, facing south. That is underhand. And what you will do is, with the mullet matador, instead of bringing your arms all the way down like you would do with a dragon head when you exit the dragon head, so you have dragon head, you go into it and you come out of it, right? Like so. But with the mullet matador, you only just bring your hand forward like so. You're not actually bringing your elbows all the way down. And what's going to happen is when you bring your hand forward and the rope starts to go up again, remember you're starting in this position, you're actually going to turn, and as the rope comes up, it becomes the back portion of the other dragon head. Or if you're doing it strictly as a mullet, you're mulleting on the other side, right? So, like so, up, back, and then you turn your body, right? So I'll show that again. Head up, and then forward, and as it comes up, I'm turning around, right? So up and turn around. Make sure that when you do the up on the front, that you still keep your right hand on your right shoulder, or close to your right shoulder on the front side, left hand near your left shoulder, and then you go, the rope kind of, your head goes in between the rope, all right? And so that you're coming out the mullet on the other side. So, head, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, like that. So showing from the side so that you can see. Head, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Another quick tip is, as usual, always remember to try and counter-rotate if you can. So if you're not familiar with counter-rotation, basically instead of just having both your legs static and doing it like this, you want to make sure that when you turn to the right, you lift your right leg up a bit more. This encourages your spine to get more of that twist, because if you're not lifting it up, then you're allowing your hip to come to the right side. And that way, if you notice, my leg is turning, but my spine actually isn't turning. It's my leg doing the turning. But when you lift your leg up, it encourages your spine to twist a bit more, all right? Like so.